Oh my goodness, Tesla stock just went absolutely parabolic. After falling over 37% since its highs only back in November 2021, Tesla is finally beginning its meteoric rise once again, being up over 30% in a single week and surpassed $1,000 per share once again, or in other words, $1 trillion market cap. Nowadays, Tesla stock is only down 18% from all-time highs despite record high inflation and rising interest rates. So why is Tesla stock on a rampage, and will it continue? Does this mean you should buy Tesla stock right now at $1,000 per share? In this video, I'll be answering all of those questions right after you destroy the like button to help support my channel, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing down below. But with that said, let's get straight into the video. So I believe there are 4 major reasons why Tesla stock has gone on a rampage lately, and here they are. The first and most obvious reason is that the Fed's FOMC meeting on Wednesday is done and dusted. As you know if you follow my channel, I made a video a few weeks ago talking about 3 upside catalysts for stocks, and sure enough, one of them was that FOMC meeting that we just had on Wednesday. Basically, the Fed plans on raising interest rates several more times in the year at 0.25% increments, which really doesn't seem like it's that great, especially for stocks like Tesla, trading at higher valuations. But the number one thing that the stock market hates more than rate hikes is uncertainty. Now that there's a path of relative certainty moving forward, investors feel a lot more confident investing in stocks. Therefore, stocks like Tesla and all other beaten down growth stocks like Shopify have been rising dramatically over the past week since this FOMC meeting. But that's not the only reason why Tesla stock is flying high, which brings me to my second point, and that is because Giga Berlin just opened. On Tuesday, Elon Musk just delivered the first 30 electric vehicles from the brand new Gigafactory near Berlin, Germany. As I've been saying for so many months now, guys, Tesla has 2 new Gigafactories coming online in 2022, which I said were going to be huge catalysts for the stock price. Not only does Giga Berlin boost Tesla's global production capacity, but it also reduces the shipping costs for all of their EVs being delivered to Europe, which will boost their profit margins like crazy. Just think about it, every single EV that Tesla's produced from their existing facilities in California and Shanghai have had to travel thousands of kilometers to be able to get to Europe, but now that they have a plant localized in Germany, this is going to reduce shipping costs like crazy. Furthermore, Tesla's Giga Berlin is top shelf when it comes to brand new technology and innovations, compared to Tesla's Giga Fremont and Giga Shanghai, which would then allow them to reduce the cost of production even further. I think it's kind of funny that investors are just realizing this now, with the stock going up nearly 8% on the day of the factory opening, when this news has been out for weeks, if not months now. So all I can say is I've been buying the dip in Tesla stock, and if you bought the dip recently too, congratulations, because the stock market can be irrational at times. Now the third reason why Tesla stock's been going up so much is because they've had a tidal wave spike in demand, leading to higher EV prices across the board. Again, as I stated in a video several weeks ago, higher gasoline prices are only driving the EV adoption faster and faster, and that's because it makes EVs much more price competitive. And with Tesla being the leader in the EV industry, having produced the most EVs in the world with the highest production rate and 2 brand new gigafactories coming online, it was only obvious that they would benefit from these higher gasoline prices. In fact, even without gasoline prices going up, EVs are already much cheaper than internal combustion engine vehicles or ICE vehicles to operate because they don't require oil changes or maintenance. There are much fewer moving parts that can wear down over time, leading to expensive trips to the repair shop, etc. Anyways, a few days after that video I posted, we did get confirmation that Tesla's demand spiked over 100% in certain regions in the US, leading to even longer order wait times posted on their website. For example, if you're looking to order the base Model Y, you're going to be waiting until January 2023 now to be able to get it. As such, Tesla increased their prices from $2,000 to $12,000 for every single model they sell, which represents the 3rd set of price increases within a year. Now you might be thinking all of these price increases are only as a result of the higher raw material costs like lithium and cobalt that Tesla has to pay for, along with inflation running like crazy lately, which is partly true, but Tesla does have long-term material contracts insulating them from these crazy price increases as opposed to different automakers. And Morgan Stanley just recently said that their margins will probably increase as a result of these price increases because the raw material costs have not increased at that same rate. So therefore, more profits for Tesla coming very soon later this year, and therefore the stock price is going up. Finally, the 4th reason why Tesla stock is going parabolic right now is because Elon Musk just announced that he's starting Tesla's Master Plan Part 3. Now, if you weren't already aware, Elon Musk first released the secret Tesla Motors Master Plan on August 2nd, 2006, which basically consisted of the following. Create a low-volume car, which would necessarily be expensive, aka the Tesla Roadster. Use that money to develop a medium-volume car at a lower price, aka aka the Model S, and use that money to create an affordable high-volume car, aka the Model 3, and provide solar power, which they've done through their acquisition of Solar City and all of the solar roofs. Since 2006, Tesla completed absolutely everything within this master plan part 1, as Elon had stated, and was on their website for over 10 years. And although the Model 3 and the Model Y are still not as affordable as some people had hoped, this will go down over time as supply of EVs increases. Then 10 years later, Elon Musk released Master Plan Part 2, or Part 2, which entails the following. Create stunning solar roofs with seamlessly integrated battery storage, expand the electric vehicle product line to address all major segments, develop a self-driving capability that is 10 times safer than manual via massive fleet learning, and finally enable your car to make money for you when you aren't using it. Now, of course, this master plan is still in progress. Tesla's working on their FSD and they still don't have the whole robo-taxi thing out yet, so this is a work in progress. However, more recently, Elon Musk just tweeted that he's going to be starting on Tesla's Master Plan Part 3, which means Tesla is on the verge of a massive new transition. He said main Tesla subjects will be scaling to extreme size, which is needed to shift humanity away from fossil fuels and AI. But I will also include sections about SpaceX, Tesla, and the Boring Company. So two things. First of all, Elon Musk is continuing to focus on scaling Tesla to extreme size, which is incredible to hear as an investor. And secondly, the new master plan will incorporate parts of all of his different companies integrated together, which is crazy to hear. I don't know about you, but I am super excited about what's going to be discussed in this master plan because that's exactly the roadmap on where Tesla's headed in the future. All right, so now the question is, should you buy Tesla stock at $1,000 per share, or is it even more overvalued than it was before? Well, to give you the bottom line, I think that Tesla stock is still a steal at a $1 trillion market cap because I have a price target for year-end 2022 of $1,500 per share. And yes, that would represent 50% upside from the current levels. Now, here's why I think that might happen. Firstly, Tesla's management said that they would comfortably increase deliveries over 50% in 2022 without even the addition of these two brand new gigafactories coming online. But with Giga Berlin having just delivered its first 30 EVs, and with Giga Austin already having produced several hundred Model Ys to date, this should easily give Tesla 60 to 70% delivery growth and thus revenue growth in 2022. Now, please answer me this: what company at Tesla's size is still growing revenues at 50% plus per year? It's very hard to find, and we also need to understand that EPS is going to be growing much faster than revenue growth, and that's because Tesla just recently became profitable and their margins are steadily increasing over time, not to mention all of these recent price hikes that they just made. So honestly, I could see Tesla delivering 75 to 100% EPS growth in 2022, which I think is being highly underestimated by analysts. Now, of course, that is just my opinion, but based on the information that I have today, I think it's very possible that Tesla could double their EPS year over year. So overall, I think that Tesla stock could still see incredible upside in 2022 based on all the reasons that I've mentioned, and especially because the stock is still down nearly 20% from all-time highs. So I, for one, am going to continue buying this stock as long as the prices stay around $1,000 or even below $1,200. I'll probably still be buying. But as always, guys, this is not financial advice. I could be completely wrong about my price target of $1,500 and the EPS growth rates that I suggested. But if you do want to gain access to my Tesla stock valuation model or speak to me about Tesla directly, you can join my Discord community of investors below, where you'll gain access to all of that for only $1 in your first month. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to drop a like, and if you have not already, please consider subscribing down below for more investing and Tesla content coming in the future. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next one.